Hello everyone, this is K. Tejashwini from First MICS, Tales the Blood DCP Karabakh. And today I've come here to tell you about the importance of the English. Let's get into the topic. English. In today's competitive world, the importance of English cannot be ignored. English is the most spoken languages in the world. People from different countries are also able to communicate with the knowledge of English. Nowadays, English has become the language of education, and also it helps us to grow us in various fields by the only English language, and also it can help us to settle the good career and to have good knowledge and to learn something. In this age of globalization, the whole world seems like a platform where the mode of communication is English. With so many advantages, learning English is always beneficial for everyone. English will help us to follow trends, technology, and the modernization. Having good knowledge of English language also helps us to seek a job in other abroad or other countries. English is the most spoken language, and also English has declared as the official language in 56 countries across the world. In today's world of social media, English plays a major crucial role, and also English is the most common language used by the people on internet. And English will help us to follow trends, technology, and the modernization. English has been the global language since long time, and also it will be in future too. In this age of globalization, the whole world seems like a platform where the mode of communication is English. With so many advantages, learning English is always beneficial for everyone. With so many advantages, and learning English is more beneficial for everyone, and also for one's economical growth.